1. The Arctic tern makes the longest annual migration of any animal, traveling an average of 44,000 miles each year, which is equivalent to flying around the Earth almost twice. This incredible journey takes them from their breeding grounds in the Arctic to the Antarctic and back again, a feat that's considered one of the most impressive in the animal kingdom. They make this journey every year for up to 50 years, which is just mind-blowing. 2. The Great Wildebeest Migration in Africa is the largest land migration, with over 1 million wildebeest making the journey from Tanzania to Kenya and back again in search of food and water. This migration is so massive that it can be seen from space, and it's considered one of the most spectacular wildlife events on the planet. The wildebeest have to navigate treacherous rivers and avoid predators like lions and crocodiles along the way. 3. The monarch butterfly migration is another incredible example of animal navigation, with these delicate creatures traveling up to 3,000 miles from Canada and the US to Mexico each year. They make this journey to escape the harsh winter weather and to find food, and it's estimated that up to 300 million monarchs make the trip. What's even more amazing is that it takes multiple generations of monarchs to complete the journey, with each generation dying off and the next one continuing on. 4. The humpback whale migration is a remarkable example of how animals can travel vast distances in search of food and mates. These whales migrate up to 16,000 miles each year, from their summer feeding grounds in the polar regions to their winter breeding grounds in the tropics. They're able to make this journey thanks to their impressive navigational skills, which are thought to be based on the Earth's magnetic field and the position of the stars. 5. The caribou migration in North America is another impressive example of animal migration, with hundreds of thousands of caribou traveling up to 3,000 miles each year in search of food and suitable habitats. These amazing creatures are able to run at speeds of up to 50 miles per hour and can swim for miles at a time, making them well adapted to their harsh Arctic environment. Their migration patterns are also closely tied to the availability of food, with the caribou following the growth of lichens and other vegetation that they rely on for survival.